Luxury package heated seats and steering wheel, Bose stereo memory seats, Pano roof, alloy wheels, backup camera, collision avoidance dual, climate control, GPS navigation / radio / Sirius / blue lane departure warning, power rear hatch, push to start button, rear heating / AC, climate control, V6 engine, cruise control, leather seats, navigation, power seats, steering wheel controls, blind spot monitoring, dynamic stability control, fog lights, keyless remote entry, reverse backup sensors. Indulge yourself with one of the most highly crafted, most luxurious automobiles available today. Gently driven doesn't even begin to explain how lovingly cared for this ultra-low mileage vehicle has been. Intricately stitched leather and ergonomic design seats are among the details in which test drivers say that Cadillac XT5 Luxury FWD is in a league of its own. Clean interior? How about flawless? This Cadillac XT5 looks like has never been used. Why go with a basic vehicle when you can have it all in this well option Cadillac XT5 Luxury? Must see this one. More information about the 2017 Cadillac XT5. The XT5 is a mid-sized crossover vehicle starting at just under $9,000. At this price point it competes with other luxury crossovers such as the BMW X5 and Audi Q5, both of which it handily undercuts in price. The Cadillac XT5 creates a refined driving atmosphere with its swanky interior and smooth revving V6 engine. Looking as expensive as cars costing far more than it, the XT5 is a fantastic value for those needing both space and luxury with a little more ground clearance than what a traditional luxury car can provide. Interesting features of this model are neat and innovative technology, attractive styling, powerful V6 engine, refined driving experience, and luxurious ride.